Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to download shaders for Minecraft. So to download shaders, I'm going to just open this text document so you guys can see all the steps. So step 1 is to install Java if you haven't already. So to install Java, it's really simple. You just search up Java and then click Java download. Now I'm just going to click on the top result on Google and then just click agree and start free download. Now keep the file. And then just go to the three little dots, downloads, and then show in folder. Okay, now you want to minimize the page, and then go ahead and drag this to your desktop. Okay, now just double click on it, click yes, and then just install. So now once this is finished installing, you've installed Java. So it's going to say that you've successfully installed Java. I'm just going to close this. And then this is the setup file for Java right here. You don't need the setup file anymore, so we're just going to delete it. Oops. Okay, so now once you delete the setup file, because you actually don't need the setup file anymore, you need to go on to step 2. Step 2 is to install Optifine. Installing Optifine is really simple. Just search up Optifine and click on the top result, the first result that pops up. Now just go to downloads, and then shaders are not available for Minecraft 1.17. Every feature of Optifine is available for Minecraft 1.17 except for shaders. So you must have to download Minecraft 1.16.5. As of now, Minecraft 1.16.5 or below as of this video being made. Now just click download, and then just don't click on anything on this page except for the purple skip button. Yeah, the purple skip button that will pop up right here. Just click the purple skip button and then download it. Now just keep the file. It should be a .jar file, so now you just want to go to the three little dots, downloads, and then it's going to download. Now just go ahead and show in folder right here. So now just minimize and then drag the file over here. Now just double click on it. It should open the Optifine installer. Now just install Optifine. Okay, now it's going to say Optifine is successfully installed. Yet again, this is just a setup file, which we don't need anymore, so we're just going to move to the recycle bin. Now the third step is to install your shaders. Installing shaders is also really simple. Just install, what you want to do is that you're just going to search up the shader that you want. So for example, I want the Sildur's Enhanced Default, but you search up any shader that you want. But I'll leave a link to the Sildur's Enhanced Default shader so you can download it for yourself in case you want to download the same shaders that I am. So now in my case, I'm just going to click the red skip button when it pops up. I'm just going to download it. And then just keep the file once you download it, and then go to downloads, and then show in folder on the shader file that you just downloaded. Now I'm just going to minimize this, drag the shader file to your desktop. Now this is my shader right here. You don't have to do anything with it right now, but we will have to soon. So step 4 is to move shaders into the shaders folder. To do that, we're going to open up the Minecraft launcher. And you're going to go to Installations tab right here. And then you should see this Optifine profile right here. Now you're just going to click on the folder icon. And then to move the shaders into the shaders folder, you just double click on the shader packs folder. And then move the shader that you want into the shader packs folder. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that you can actually close this. You can actually close the shader packs folder because you don't need to have it constantly open. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to play the game. Now you want to make sure that you're in the Optifine profile, otherwise this won't work. So yeah. So you want to make sure that you're in the Optifine profile for this to even work. Now you're just going to click play, and Minecraft is going to load in. Okay, so the fifth step is to enable your shaders. Now you might be wondering when you go into your game and your shaders are not working. Well, that's because it's not enabled. So you have to enable your shaders as well. So you just go to options, video settings, uh, and then there are actually a lot of things that you can do with Optifine, like increasing your max frame rate and getting like a good you can get a better frame rate, and set your render distance to a crazy render distance, and changing the graphics settings. Now, but what we're going to focus on right here is the shaders. Now, just click on the shader that you want. In my case, I'm going to select the enhanced default shader. I'm going to click done, done, and then done, and then your shader should be enabled. Now I'm just going to load in my world. Okay then, so now your shaders should be showing up. Now it looks like, so the shader that I'm using right now is Silder's Enhanced Default. The Silder's Enhanced Default doesn't really do much. All it adds was shadows to your world. Water kind of flows differently. Adds moving, waving plants to your world like most shaders do. And it does change the lighting quite a bit, but I still do like it because it doesn't really change the game too much. So I hope this video helped you, and